This is how to make delicious rice noodle rolls, and guess what? They are super easy to make. So let's go! Add 100 grams of rice flour to a bowl, followed by 50 grams of potato starch or cornstarch, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of neutral cooking oil. Next, add 350 ml of cold water in batches. Add about 100 ml first, then give it a good mix. Once you've achieved a smooth batter, add the rest of the water, then give it a good mix again. And at the end of the process, you should be left with a very liquidy batter. But don't freak out because that's what you want. Next, oil up a microwavable tray and pour in enough batter to cover the base. Add a handful of cooked shrimp like so, followed by some finely chopped green onions. Next, cover the tray with some cling film and microwave for 3 minutes at 600 watts. And when the 3 minutes are up, take it out and let it cool down for a few minutes. And just look at that, sensational. When it's cooled down and firmed up a wee bit, take out a spatula and run it around the edges. Now use your spatula or a scraper and gently roll it like so. And just like that, you'll have a beautiful rice noodle roll. That you have made all by yourself. And that's how to make a homemade rice noodle roll. It definitely looks fantastic, and now it's time to see what it tastes like. But before that, I need to cut it up into bite-sized pieces and pour on the sauce. And the sauce consists of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of chili oil. Okay, here we go. So how does it taste? It tastes fantastic! Yummo! Rice noodle rolls are super easy to make and they taste delicious. So now it's your turn to give it a go. Thank you for watching, and for more content like this, please like and follow.